We're live. Alhamdulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good Monday noon, wherever you are. We're in Singapore. Good Monday noon to everybody. Welcome to Halal Stock Hunters on 23rd of August 2021. My name is Afik, Chief Finance Ninja at Fast Refinance, and this is
Ardi here from Halal Investor Network and Pro Traders Network. Yep.
Alhamdulillah.
Let's go. Yep.
Let's go. Let's go. 23rd August, uncovering halal gems in the stock market. Today, we've got a very interesting pick for you. We're going to be looking at Zoom. Now, if you have no idea what Zoom is, you've probably been living under a rock for the past 2 years. And if you do know what Zoom is, you probably should have been vaccinated by now. So we've been working from home for the longest time, on and off, on and off, on and off. Zoom, it's a video conferencing software. We've been covering Zoom on HSH multiple times. And if you look at the adoption rate, it's been increasing like mad. Even the news have come out that, working from home and Zoom video conferencing is not going to go away anytime soon. We did mention in the last Halal Stock Hunters, when we picked Zoom, it was acquiring Five9, and that acquisition is going through. And so I think Zoom can be something that we can be looking at. I mean, it's been on the watch list for the longest time. We've been monitoring its pricing. There was no opportunity to buy because Zoom just keeps going up and up and up and up. And we have a set of rules to follow before we buy in. And so Zoom's chart now looks a little bit more interesting. And when it comes to charts, I'm going to throw to our master in session, Adi Ismail. All yours, Adi. Show us your magic crystal ball when it comes to Zoom.
All right. So let's just take a look at Zoom. So Zoom on the daily time frame, I think we did take a look at this stock just a couple of weeks ago. And at that point, I still remember, this is the point. We were covering it and the price was at 372.94. All right, let me just mark. It's basically this line here. Okay. So, and then we discussed, and I said to you, we saw a double top. And with this double top, price have actually fallen further to the downside. So what is the level that we are looking for in order to buy, actually, if we were to actually consider to buy this particular stock, right? So price have actually fallen all the way now to around the 336 level. And we have some support here, if you notice, which I've marked as the point B, which is around the 333, right? So at that level, we will be considering to actually enter Zoom. However, we have some criteria to meet first before we will enter. Number one, we are going to look for bullish price action, possibly bullish engulfing candle, or a pintail candle, for example, to show that there's buyers coming in at that point. And if there is such a price action candle form at those levels, and price have actually moved up a little bit to the upside above our moving average, we might want to enter. But at this point, the criteria has not been met, right? We have this particular candle here, actually right now, is a bullish candle actually, right? This particular candle is a bullish candle. And I think for this particular hand, we would like to see, right? Basically today, price moving up from here. But yeah, it needs to cross above our 9 moving average for us to consider buy. But right now, we are not going to buy in yet. And yeah, but Zoom is definitely on our list of stocks that we are considering to actually enter.
That we are watching with bated breath. So folks, if you're looking at Zoom and you're wondering whether it's time to buy in, hold your horses, wait first, right? The charts we have to follow our rules. So we have a set of trading rules when it comes to the HIN model portfolio. And when we're looking at this, it is not time to buy yet, according to our indicators. But if you're thinking of getting into Zoom, let's keep watching. Adi, any more things to say about Zoom?
Yep, we can go on to the next stock. Afiq, thank you.
All right. So thank you very much, Adi, for talking about Zoom. Now, Zoom has been a very interesting counter to watch over the past couple of years. It's gone up, it's gone down. People are still using it. They're acquiring more and more infrastructure. And I think that Zoom could be doing very, very well, even in the long term. So we're just looking for a good price to acquire and buy in. So that's all for Zoom. Halal Stock Hunters Pick of the Week. We'll see you at the next one.